Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony, and I have a little feel-good story for you guys today about drones. Let's get into it. And really quick before we get started, if you're a YouTuber and you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, definitely check out TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an awesome platform that will help you grow your YouTube channel quickly. If you're interested to know more about TubeBuddy, definitely check out my link in the description below. So I wanted to share this story because I thought this was really cool. And lately there's just been a lot of negative news in the drone world between this whole remote ID thing and all this negativity surrounding it. And just negativity. So I wanted to bring a positive story about drones and why drones are so important in today's world. So let's talk about it. So Drone XL is reporting that a drone with a thermal camera helped find a 78-year-old man in Alexander County, North Carolina. So let's read into it. Police officers used a drone with a thermal camera to find the 78-year-old man from Stony Point who had gone missing on Wednesday afternoon. The man had left his residence on an ATV at around 4:30 p.m. but had not returned home. At 7:17 p.m., a call came into the Alexander County Sheriff's Office. Given the time of day, with the temperatures dropping in the 30s, the rain, and the missing person's age and medical concerns, the police officers decided to work with local first responders to quickly locate the man. A search effort was launched that included a canine and a drone with a thermal camera to search the almost 100-acre property. Involved in the search were, so then it says who's involved in the search. The drone with a thermal camera was recently acquired by Alexander County Sheriff's Office and enabled the first responders to quickly locate the missing man. At around 10 p.m., a heat signature was visible down an embankment in a wooded area on the property. A rescue team was dispatched to the area. The crew helped the elderly man and provided first aid. The man was transported to a waiting ambulance and taken to Iredell Memorial Hospital. So based off this article, it sounds like that drone saved that man's life. And thermal technology is incredible. It's not, I'm more into the video and photo side of things, but I just think that that's pretty incredible that a drone located him. Whereas otherwise, if there wasn't technology like that, they may have not have found him, that quickly. And say they found him the next day in daylight, like he could have been dead, like hypothermia. It was in the 30s. So drones are really amazing, and the people that don't like drones, I just don't understand it. They must just pay attention to only negative news, because I'd say there's more positive news and more positive things happening in the drone world than negative. Sure, if all you focused on was the negatives, you'd just be miserable, right? So I just think that this is an awesome story, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it's really cool. But anyway, guys, that is it for this one. If you like today's video, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That will help it rank higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'm out.